So friends, if you have purchased bike insurance from PhonePe application and if you are wondering how to download bike insurance copy from PhonePe, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now see, the very first thing you have to do is just simply open PhonePe application in your mobile phone, and it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Once you complete the login process, this is how the interface will look like. All you have to do is just simply go down and look for insurance category. So this is the insurance category, select bike. Now if you have purchased car insurance and if you want to download that particular copy, then you can go to car section. Okay, for now I'm going to go to bike section, and if I select my vehicle over here, you can see it is giving me an option of view policy. So this policy is already activated, but I am still awaiting for the document. So if I tap on download policy, it is saying that the policy document is currently unavailable. You can see, and it will be available after 1 hour. Yes, you can select the download option from here and you can download the file. Let me show you another example. If you get download policy option like this, the policy document is not available, but I have my previous policy over here. So if I go inside that, so this is how you will get an option of download. So if you tap on download, you will get this particular page and you can select where you want to save the file. So you can simply select save to files option, and then you can go to file manager. If you are using an iPhone, you can simply go to files application, and from there you can check out the the policy. So let's save the file for now. Saved the file. Now let's go to files application. This is how the policy will look like. You can see two-wheeler PhonePe. So this is my previous year's insurance policy. For now, if I go back, once my current policy is activated, it is activated, but the policy is yet to come. So after that, I'm going to get download option over here, right? So yes, this is the same process. This is the only process by which you can simply download bike insurance copy from PhonePe. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.